a U.S. judge has issued a stay temporarily halting the deportation of visa holders or refugees under an executive order from President Trump. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, filed a lawsuit early on Saturday in response to the order. The judge's stay prevents those caught up in the aftermath from being deported, the ACLU said. The group estimates that between 100 and 200 people are being detained at airports or in transit. The court decision came as hundreds protested at airports in several U.S. states over Donald Trump's clampdown on immigration. The 7 countries affected by a 90-day travel ban for nationals are Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. Media caption: "No hate, no fear, refugees are welcome here," protesters chanting at JFK Airport on Saturday. The ruling, from U.S. District Judge Ann Donnelly, prevented the removal from the U.S. of people with approved refugee applications, valid visas, and other individuals legally authorized to enter the United States. Lee Earned, Deputy Legal Director of the Immigrants' Rights Project, argued the case in court and was greeted by a cheering crowd outside. He said that some people had been threatened with being put back on a plane later on Saturday. The judge, in a nutshell, saw through what the government was doing and gave us what we wanted, which was to block the Trump order and not allow the government to remove anybody who has come and is caught up in the order, nationwide, he told the crowd. He also said the judge had ordered the government to provide a list of names of those detained under the order. Image copyright Twitter, ACLU. "We are going to see each of the people, provide counsel, try and get them out of detention right now, but at minimum, they will not be returned back to danger," Mr. Earned said. The court has set a date to hear the case for the end of February. Trump border policy, key points. U.S. entry ban victims vent fury. Trump's first week, well, that was intense. Speaking earlier on Saturday, Mr. Trump defended his executive order, saying it was not a Muslim ban. "It's working out very nicely. You see it at the airports, you see it all over," Mr. Trump told reporters at the Oval Office. Media caption: "President Trump, it's not a Muslim ban, but we're totally prepared. This is a remarkable day," said the ACLU's executive director, Anthony Romero. "On day 1 after he signed the executive order, we took him to court. That it was unconstitutional, that it was un-American, and that it flew in the face of established statutes that we have long regarded in this country. What we've shown today is that the courts can work, they're a bulwark in our democracy, and when President Trump enacts laws or executive orders that are unconstitutional and illegal, the courts are there to protect everyone's rights.